Lights on, lights off.
Off. Lights off. Lights off. Off per me.
Sex or chocolate?
Both.
Best time for sex.
Grabe po na yung before sleep.
Metro Davao or Metro Manila or Davao City?
Davao City, of course.
Most beautiful place in the Philippines?
Mahirap yan na. Pwede 5.
Sige.
Okay, sige. Bicol Region. Central Visayas. Tibuok Mindanao. Eastern Visayas, Western Visayas, Northern Luzon, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, tapos buong Pilipinas. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
Ayan. True love or world peace?
World peace.
What is love, VP?
Love is giving yourself unconditionally to others.
Ganda o talino?
Talino.
What makes you blush?
Ikaw, you make me blush.
Taong hinahanap mo after the long tiring day?
Mga anak. Mga anak.
DepEd or OVP?
DepEd and OVP.
Mayor or Vice President?
Mayor and Vice President. Pwede man doha.
One thing you are not good at.
Ano?
And one thing you are not good at.
Computers.
Sexiest man in the Philippines?
Unsay sexy gani kanang gwapong lawas?
Macho.
Si PRD.
Favorite politician?
Day Sara Duterte.
Oo, hindi. Maarte ba si VP Sara?
Of course not. No.
Ayun. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Resilient, brave, and with a good sense of humor.
Ayun. Last